Part 1. What is compassion? Good day everyone. Today, I will talk about a value that is very important not just in your lesson, but also in your daily lives, and that is compassion. First, let me explain what compassion really means. In simple terms, compassion is more than just feeling sorry or naawa lang when we say someone have a hard time. It is deeper than that. I come for the idea of suffering win or pakikisama sa pagdurusa. It means when we say someone or something, I need we don't just look from afar. We feel their situation as if it's our own, and we have a strong desire to help and make things better. In Filipino culture, this is very close to what we call malasakit. It is that attitude we say, this is also my concern, not just your compassion. It's not a sign of weakness. Some people think that if you are kind, you are easily take advantage of, but actually, it takes a, a lot of stretch and coverage to care. It means closing to see the the humanity in every person, respecting their dignity and remembering that we are all connected. What happened to one member of our community eventually affect at all of. Part 2. How compassion is expressed to others. Now, how do we express this compassion? We show it in two means aris. First, through our care for other people. And second, through our care for the environment. Let's start with compassion toward others. It does not always have to be something big or expensive. It can be seen in simple acts. For example, when we listen attentively to a classmate or friend who is sharing their problems instead of ignoring them. When we help someone who is struggling with their lesson or caring having things. When we share what we have, whether it is food, time, or knowledge, then those who have less. When we treat everyone truly, regardless of their station, with our background, even if someone is different from us, compassion remind us that they also deserve respect and kindness. We also show it when we stand up against injustice. When when we say someone being billed or treated badly, compassion moves us to speak up and protect them. It teaches us to be patient and forgiving instead of judging people quickly when they make mistake. In short, compassion is putting our heart into our action, not just our words. Part 3. How compassion is expressed to the environment. Next, compassion also extends to our environment and nature. A lot of people forget this, but the earth is our shared home and it is also a living system that needs care. Showing compassion for nature means understanding that we harm the environment, we are actually harming people as well. For example, if we cut tree without replacing them, we lose clean air and protection against strong typhoons. If we waste water and electricity, we are using up rescue that future generation will also needs. True compassion looks beyond ourselves. It asks, if I do this today, how will it affect the people who will live here 10 or 20 years from now? So simple act like segregating waste, saving water, planting trees, and keeping our surroundings clean are actually act of compassion. Because we are caring for the world that support all of us. Part 4. The role of communal discernment. Now, having a compassionate heart is a good start, but is not always enough. Sometimes, our good intention can lead to mistake. If we act without thinking properly, then is where communal discernment comes in. What is communal discernment? It is the process of thinking, reflecting, discussing, and deciding together as a community. It means we do not rely only on our own feelings or personal opinions. Instead, we gather different ideas, listen to what others have to say, understand the real situation, and choose the situation that bring the greatest good for everyone. Its role is very important if we want to make our school, our community, and the whole world more compassion. Please compassion give us the heart to care, but communal discernment gives us the wisdom to care correctly. For example, if we want to help poor families, giving them 4 ounce kind. But through determined, we realize that giving them skills and livelihood opportunities helps them stand on their own permanently. If we want to keep our school clean, one person cleaning alone is good. But when plan and agree on rule together, the cleanliness become a habit from everyone. When we discern together, we avoid bias. We see the bigger picture and we make sure our action or fears sustainable and truly helpful. Part 5. Conclusion. To summarize everything, compassion is having a caring heart and acting to help others and protect our environment. Communal discernment is working together to make wise decisions so that our good intention produce real lasting good. Making our school, our country, and the world a more compassionate place does not happen by accident. It starts in each of us, in how we treat people, how we care for nature, and how we work together. If we combine a compassionate heart with ways collecting thinking, we can truly make a difference. Thank you.